Hello and welcome to KSG India State Series. In this video, we are going to talk about the Indian state of Rajasthan. Facts collected are based on the questions asked in competitive examinations. The capital city of Rajasthan is Jaipur. Boundary of Rajasthan touches with Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and Gujarat. It shares international border with Pakistan. Talking about the history of the state, ancient period up to 1200, the Rajput clans emerged and held their sway over different parts of Rajasthan from about 700 AD. Before that, Rajasthan was a part of several republics. It was a part of the Mauryan Empire. Other major republics that dominated this region include the Mallavas, Arjunyas, Yodhyas, Kushans, Saka satraps, Guptas, and Hunas. The Rajput clan's ascendancy in Indian history was during the period from the 8th to the 12th century AD. The Pratihars ruled Rajasthan and most of northern India during 750 to 1000 AD. Between 1000 to 1200 AD, Rajasthan witnessed the struggle for supremacy between Chalukyas, Parmars, and Chauhans. Talking about the medieval period, 1201 to 1707, around 1200 AD, a part of Rajasthan came under Muslim rulers. The principal centers of their powers were Nagaur and Ajmer. Ranthambore was also under their suzerainty. At the beginning of the 13th century AD, the most prominent and powerful state of Rajasthan was Mewar. Coming to the modern period, 1707 to 1947, Rajasthan had never been united politically until its domination by Mughal Emperor Akbar. Akbar created a unified province of Rajasthan. Mughal power started to decline after 1707. The political disintegration of Rajasthan was caused by the dismemberment of the Mughal Empire. The Marathas penetrated Rajasthan upon the decline of the Mughal Empire. In 1755, they occupied Ajmer. The beginning of the 19th century was marked by the onslaught of the Pindaris. Moving on to the geographical features of the state, we tell you about the climate. In the west, Rajasthan is relatively dry and infertile. Now, this area includes some of the Thar Desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert. In the southwestern part of the state, the land is wetter, hilly, and more fertile. The climate varies throughout Rajasthan. On average, winter temperatures range from 8 to 28 degrees Celsius, and summer temperatures range from 25 to 46 degrees Celsius. Average rainfall also varies. The western deserts accumulate about 100 millimeters annually, while the southeastern part of the state receives 650 millimeters annually, most of which falls from July through September during the monsoon season. Now about the topography of the state. Rajasthan has varying topographic features, though a major part of the state is dominated by parched and dry region. The extensive topography includes rocky terrain, rolling sand dunes, wetlands, barren tracts of land filled with thorny scrubs, river-drained plains, plateaus, ravines, and wooded regions. In a more broad way, the topography of Rajasthan can be divided in the following regions: the Aravalli or the hilly regions, the Thar and the other arid regions, the plateaus including Vindhya and the Malwa, the fertile plains including the Mewar, the forest regions and the water bodies including rivers and salt lakes. Aravalli Range is one of the oldest mountain ranges. Sedimentary and metamorphosed rocks like marble and quartzite are found there. Source of Sabarmati, Luni and Banas. River basins in Rajasthan are Shekhawati, Ruparel, Banganga, Parbati, Banas, Mahi and Luni. Luni originates from Nagaur district in Rajasthan. National parks and sanctuaries in Rajasthan are Ranthambore National Park, Keoladeo National Park, which is a World Heritage Site. This former duck hunting reserve of the Maharajas is one of the major wintering areas for large number of aquatic birds from Afghanistan, Turkmenistan, China and Siberia. Some 364 species of birds, including the rare Siberian crane, have been recorded in the park. Other national parks and sanctuaries are Mukandra Hills National Park, Jamwa Ramgarh, Jawahar Sagar, Band Bareta, Mount Abu, Nahargarh, Ramgarh Vishdhari, Kumbhalgarh, Bhansrodgarh, and Sariska. Sariska Tiger Reserve is well nestled in the Aravalli Hills, covering 800 square kilometers area divided into the grasslands, dry deciduous forests, sheer cliffs, and rocky landscape. A variety of other wild animals like the leopard, sambar, chital, nilgai, four-horned antelope, wild boar, rhesus macaque, langur, hyena, and jungle cats are found in the Sariska Tiger Reserve apart from the tiger. The Sariska National Park is home to India's largest population of peafowl and harbors quail, sand grouse, golden-backed woodpeckers, and crested serpent eagles, among other species. Kesar Bagh is another sanctuary. Talking about the agriculture of Rajasthan, 40% of mustard or sarson of the country is produced in Rajasthan. 40% of cumin or jeera of the country is produced in Rajasthan. 60% of coriander, that is dhania, of the country is produced in Rajasthan. Also, almost all of the isabgol of the country is produced in Rajasthan. Talking about the lakes in the state, Uday Sagar Lake, Doodh Talai Lake, Jaisamand Lake. It is known for being the second largest man-made sweetwater lake in Asia. Lake Pichola, Fateh Sagar Lake, Anand Sagar Lake. This is an artificial lake, also known as Bai Talab, was constructed by Lanchi Bai, the Rani of Maharaval Jagmal Singh. Diablab Lake, Ana Sagar Lake, Lake Foy Sagar, Balsamand Lake, Gadisar Lake, Gaib Sagar Lake, Lake Jait Sagar, and Lake Naval Sagar. Lake Naval Sagar has half-submerged temple dedicated to Lord Varun Dev. Indira Gandhi Canal is a multi-purpose project in Rajasthan. It irrigates a vast amount of land in the Indian portion of the Thar. The canal begins at the Harike Barrage at the confluence of the Satluj and Beas rivers in the Indian Punjab and continues in a southwesterly direction for some 290 miles. Dams located in Rajasthan are Jawai Dam, Jawahar Sagar Dam, Kota Barrage, and Rana Pratap Sagar. Guru Shikhar, a peak at an altitude of 5,676 feet, is the highest point in Rajasthan. Talking about the minerals found in the state, well, Rajasthan enjoys a virtual monopoly in the production of minerals like wollastonite, lead, zinc, calcite, gypsum, rock phosphate, silver, marble, sandstone, and serpentine, that is green marble. Western Rajasthan has proven large deposits of hydrocarbons. Rajasthan is the leading producer of cement-grade limestone and steel-grade limestone. Uranium deposits are found in Rohil. And now let us tell you about the vibrant culture of Rajasthan. We begin with the forts. Jaisalmer Fort is one of the largest forts in the world. It is situated in Jaisalmer city in the Indian state of Rajasthan. It was built in 1156 AD by the Bhati Rajput ruler Rao Jaisal, from where it derives its name. Amber Fort is situated in the valley of Aravalli Ranges just below Jaigarh in Amber. Raja Man Singh I started the construction in the end of 16th century. Amber Fort is a blend of Mughal and Rajput architecture. Gagro is the fort that was built by Dod Rajputs, who are the Parmars. Kumbhalgarh Fort amidst Aravalli Hills in the Kelwada Tehsil of Rajsamand district. Its construction is attributed to Rana Kumbh between 1443 to 1458 AD. The fort has 10 gates with several groups of temples devoted to Hindu and Jain pantheon. Chittorgarh Fort, the ancient Chitrakoot, occupies a place of pride in the history of Rajputs as it remained an important seat of Rajput power from 7th to 16th century AD. Hawa Mahal is in Jaipur. Talking about the folk dances and music, Ghumar dance is a traditional folk dance of Rajasthan and also the state dance. Gair. Gair is one of the most popular, famous folk dance which is performed by the Bhil community. Chari dance is the folk dance of Rajasthan that belongs to Gujjar community of Kishangarh and only women perform this dance. Kachi Ghodi, this dance is performed by men on dummy horses. Fire dance is a very difficult dance to perform and is carried out by the Banjara community. Tera Tali, this folk dance is performed by the Kamada tribes who are traditional snake charmers. Katputli is the old tradition of stories from mythology and legends which are told through puppets. Pabuji Ki Phaj, this performing art is associated to the life and the gallantry activities of Pabuji. Mand is quite similar to the Thumri or Ghazal. Tribes in Rajasthan are Bhil, Damor, Dhanka, Kathodi, Kokna, Meena, Naikta, Patelia, and Seharia. Temples located in Rajasthan are Kaila Devi, Eklingji, Brahma Temple, Varaha Temple, which is the largest and the most ancient temple of Pushkar, and the Rangji Temple. On to the fairs and festivals of the state. Camel Festival in Bikaner is organized by the Department of Tourism in January every year. Nagaur Fair is a trading fair for cattle and camels. Mewar Festival in Udaipur is an 18-day festival celebrated to welcome the advent of spring and coincides with the festival of Gangaur. Gangaur Festival is celebrated in Jaipur. Kaila Devi Fair is celebrated in Karoli. Mahavir Ji Fair is also celebrated in Karoli. Summer Festival is famous in Mount Abu. The 3-day festival is held at Mount Abu in June every year and is a feast of folk and classical music. Tej Festival, popular in Jaipur, is held during the monsoons in July. Tej is also dedicated to Lord Shiva and Parvati. Gogaji Fair is held in the memory of a popular hero of the area, Goga or Jahar Pir. Kali Tej is celebrated in Bundi. Ramdevra Fair is celebrated in Jaisalmer. Marwar Festival is held in October in Jodhpur. It is an annual 2-day event attempting to showcase the art and culture of the Jodhpur region. Pushkar Fair is held at Ajmer. Chandrabhag Fair is in Jalawar and Kolyat Fair in Bikaner. Talking about the paintings, Phad paintings are paintings on cloth portraying the epic lives of the local hero gods. They are popularly known as Phad paintings. Kajali paintings, no brushes are used in this form of painting. The only tools used are hand and cloth. Kishangarh paintings or Bani Thani is an Indian painting in the Kishangarh school of paintings. Kamaicha is a bowed string instrument which is exclusively played by the Manganair community of Rajasthan. Talking about the UNESCO World Heritage Sites in the state, Keolado National Park is a World Heritage Site. Jantar Mantar of Jaipur is also one. It is an astronomical observation site built in the early 18th century. It includes a set of some 20 main fixed instruments. It's designed for the observation of astronomical positions with the naked eye. They embody several architectural and instrumental innovations. The hill forts of Rajasthan are also UNESCO World Heritage Site. The serial site, situated in the state of Rajasthan, includes 6 majestic forts in Chittorgarh, Kumbhalgarh, Savai Madhopur, Jhalawar, Jaipur and Jaisalmer. The eclectic architecture of the forts, some up to 20 kilometers in circumference, bears testimony to the power of the Rajput princely estates that flourished in the region from 8th to the 18th century. Enclosed within defensive walls are major urban centers, palaces, trading centers and other buildings, including temples that often predate the fortifications, within which developed an elaborate courtly culture that supported learning, music and the arts. Some of the urban centers enclosed in the fortifications have survived, as have many of the state's side temple and other sacred buildings. The fort used the natural defenses offered by the landscape, hills, deserts, rivers and the dense forests. They also feature extensive water harvesting structures, largely still in use today. Now let us tell you about the state symbols of Rajasthan. The state flower is Rohida. State bird is Godawan or the Great Indian Bustard. State animal is camel. State tree is khejri. State dance is Ghumar. And state game is basketball. Institutions located in the state are Central Electronics Engineering Research Institute in Palani, Central Arid Zone Research Institute in Jodhpur, Central State Farm in Suratgarh, Defence Laboratory in Jodhpur, and National Institute of Agricultural Marketing in Jaipur. North-Western Railway headquarters is located in Jaipur. Area-wise, Rajasthan is the largest state of India. The Tropic of Cancer passes through its southern tip in the Banswara district. Sambar Lake is the largest inland saline wetland of India. Kalibangan is an Indus Valley civilization site. That's all we could pack in this edition of KSG State Series. Stay tuned for more such videos.